Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Jacob here with another video coming at you about the good old Ranger Raptor here. This video is going to be shot over the entire weekend because I don't feel like doing a really quick project and just smashing it out and then putting the video out. But it's going to be this here. So I bought myself a rear tray storage unit that I can store spare parts, recovery gear, everything like that. That's going to sit inside my little tailgate here. And obviously, as you can see in the background there, we've made some new additions to the garage here. So we've got a red Raptor. Well, I don't have a red Raptor, I've got a blue Raptor. That one there, that's the old boys. He loved the car so much, he decided he's going to get himself one and he's going to set it up for traveling Australia. So look forward to seeing that one in some future videos, because I am 100% positive he wants me to do all the work to that, because he's got other stuff that he needs to do, and to be perfectly honest, it's what I do every day at work and it's what I do to my own car. So I'm going to be the best person to do the work for him. Some more channel updates. I want to start posting more regularly, but I want your opinion on what type of videos you guys want to see. So I've been experimenting lately with my past videos with like doing the silent and then just text over, just showing you guys how something's done, like I did with the snorkel. I've done other videos where I've talked over the entire process, explaining what to do, more informational videos. I don't know which ones you guys like best, whether you want like a full instructional, a really in-depth description and how-to of doing these installations, or whether you guys just like the whole chill out music in the background and a time lapse of the job's getting done. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments what you guys prefer, and I can probably start doing your favorites with my blue Raptor and the old boys red Raptor there. But that's probably going to be all the talking in the video except for the outro. I'll probably just do a time lapse of doing the install of this tray, and then look forward to a video where I give you an entire overview of my rear setup that I've been doing in the background, not filming, sorry about that, but I'll give you an overview because a lot of them are really quick jobs, and just give you guys an idea of the kind of things you can do to your car. Oh, hey there. So I'm filming the outro here in the workshop. As you notice, the hoist is gone pretty soon. Good old faithful Jeep here might be going. It's gonna be a sad day. This is actually my first car, and I've had it since I was probably about 14 years old. but I think it's time to move on. I've got another 4-wheel drive, and I need to free up some cash, and the old boy needs to free up some cash, so we're probably going to move my old beast on. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I'm saying a lot because I can't think of what to say. Thank you guys so much. I have reached over 100,000 views on the channel, which for me is absolutely phenomenal. I don't think I would have ever reached that in a million years. Not only that, we're so close to 1,000 subs. And to tell you the truth, when I started this channel and I just posted my first video, I only did it because I wanted to show everyone else, like, this is how to do it, because I couldn't find anything online how to do these sort of things. And what really helped me in the early days of me working on cars was going on the internet, going on forums and stuff, and learning how to do it from other people's experiences. Nowadays, if I don't know how to do something, I'll go onto YouTube and see someone else do it, because when I've got to take an interior part of, like, let's say an Alfa Romeo twin spark or something like that, it's not always the most obvious thing in the world, and sometimes I'm like, I just need that little bit of information to know where to start, so I can go there, take that piece out, and then do the rest from there. But obviously someone needs to make those videos, and I decided, you know, I know how to work on Rangers and Raptors pretty damn well. I know how to do all these sort of things. Why don't I do it, and then I'll make a video about it and show everyone else how to do it, because Raptors are very new, like I did with the snorkel video. There's no videos out there how to do the snorkel. There are your information sheets and stuff that most of the companies send, but it's sometimes just nicer to actually look at what you're doing and see someone else do it. But I'd like to thank all of you for subscribing, for watching the videos, and for leaving comments and likes and things like that. It really helps me out, especially since it's not something I ever imagined doing myself. And let's keep growing the channel. I mean, there's new projects coming for different vehicles, so there's going to be a whole new different setup on that Raptor. I'm going to be doing some more stuff to my Raptor itself, and hopefully soon, if the channel grows enough, I can start doing some awesome other projects, because I don't just like 4-wheel drives. Believe it or not, besides the Jeep, all I've had is, like, I've had a Mazda MX-5 that I turboed, rebuilt the engine, completely painted, body kit, roll cage, things like that. Went 11 seconds down the quarter mile. I've had Mercedes, I've had Mustang, one of your new, like, FMs. Just had a lot of cars and worked on a lot of cars, and now that I'm growing the channel, maybe I can start getting some cars back, some new projects, and you guys can watch that and let me know what you guys think. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.